Okay, y'all. So I decided I wanted to try this orangey, like, ginger hair color. And I think it is so cute. So I was looking at the girl with the natural hair, and I was like, okay, she's about my skin color, so let's try it. So I'm just going to show y'all how it went from start to finish. No. So I'm trying to install this, but the problem is in different rooms, this give it neon orange instead of ginger orange. Okay, besides the fact my concealer that I use with my spritz to melt it down is a little too light. I mean, we can fix that later. But I don't hate it. When you install it, I'm not hating it. And now I gotta do my eyebrows, put a lash on, and I bet you, ooh, wait till my crimping irons get here. Wait till my crimping irons get here. Magic that black girl, magic got that black girl.